3, 2, 1.
I help diagnose illnesses, but I don't cause them. What am I?
The answer is C, stethoscope.
Mila Jovovich went to high school with which of the following? The answer is B, Christina Applegate. Which of these important events in the history of Opel happened in 1924? The answer is C. Opel installed Germany's first car production line. Who set the record for most tattoos in one day female? The answer is D. Eva Maria Schmidt, Germany. Oyster mushrooms are used to treat what medical condition? The answer is A. High cholesterol levels. What American television and film actress, married for some years to musician/composer Burt Bacharach, was born Angela Ann Brown on September 30, 1931? The answer is D. Angie Dickinson. Who dies in the episode Becoming, Part 1 from the second season of Buffy the Vampire Slayer? The answer is D. Kendra. What property means that something can return to its original shape after being stretched or compressed? The answer is A. Elasticity. What is Fred's nickname in the Bedrock bowling team, featured on the Flintstones? The answer is D. Twinkle Toes. Which of the following is not a type of computer memory? The answer is D. RAM. The dashboard reading in a Jaguar would likely be set to which of these? The answer is C. Set to kilometers. What animal produces a cub? The answer is D. Tiger. What type of cells capture light energy and use carbon dioxide as their carbon source? The answer is D. Photoautotrophs. Which of the following would be seen outside of the ocean? The answer is C. A frog. What is the name of Tony Hawk's father? The answer is C. Frank Hawk. Solid-state radiation detectors convert ionization produced in a semiconductor like those found in computer chips directly into what? The answer is D. Electrical signal. Which city's name literally means merchant's harbor? The answer is B. Copenhagen. I'm often found in a suit, yet I can't wear it. What am I? The answer is C. Businessman. Which item holds books together? The answer is B. Bookmark. Which transition is most responsible for gaps in the fossil record? The answer is D, sedimentary rock to metamorphic rock. What was the name of Ted Baxter's girlfriend on The Mary Tyler Moore Show? The answer is C, Georgette Franklin. Who was the first astronaut to walk in space? The answer is C, Ed White. The term trenchcoat mafia is associated with which school shooting? The answer is C, Columbine High School. Which region of the world used .ie at the end of his web addresses? The answer is A, Sudan. Who invented the modern bicycle? The answer is A, Carl von Drais. I'm green inside and white outside. What am I? The answer is A, onion. Who was the first female vice president in Indian politics? The answer is D, Jayalalitha. I protect your hand while playing racket sports. What am I? The answer is A, gloves. Which planet is fourth from the Sun in our solar system? The answer is A, Mars. What actor starred in Rob Marshall's 2002 musical movie Chicago? The answer is C, Richard Gere. Different forms of the same element are called what? The answer is B, allotropes. Dale Earnhardt drove for several owners. Which owner was he driving for when he won his first NASCAR championship? The answer is B, Rod Osterlin. Which sitcom features a group of friends hanging out at Central Perk? The answer is A, Friends. I have 1,000 faces, yet no voice. What am I? The answer is A, movie screen. Which piece of furniture is used primarily for dining and seating? The answer is B, dining table. What is the closest star to Earth, excluding the Sun? The answer is B, Alpha Centauri A. Which gas is used in MRI machines? The answer is C, oxygen. Football player Edison Arantes do Nascimento, known as Peel, was nicknamed after which of the following? The answer is D, a football player. Which U.S. president was targeted for assassination by a foreign leader 3 months after he left office? The answer is C. George H.W. Bush. The reaction of calcium oxide with carbon dioxide forms what? The answer is B. Calcium carbonate. I have rings and orbit Saturn. What am I? The answer is D. Saturn's rings. What type of plant tissue transports water and dissolved mineral upward to the leaves? The answer is D. Xylem. What group sang the 80s song A Penny for Your Thoughts? The answer is C. Tavares. What was Wonder Woman's alias on the show? The answer is C. Diana Prince. What is a carbon-based compound that is found in living things called? The answer is B. Biochemical compound. The River Nile flows through which continent? The answer is A. Africa. On The Newhart Show, what are the 2 other occupations Dick has in addition to owning and operating the inn? The answer is D. Author and TV show host. Which sci-fi comedy features a character who renames himself Johnny Five? The answer is B. Short Circuit. What do we call the language spoken by Jews in Spain and Portugal, which consisted of mainly Spanish and Hebrew words written in Hebrew letters? The answer is C. Ladino. Which component controls the flow of electric current?